just already to see what it looks like. So I'll set y'all up right here. Let's see if we can try to swap everything as quick as we can, because like I don't have enough time either, like between daylight. So try to see if we can do as much as we can today. Got one fender on. This is a pain in the, oh my god, it's a pain, but the car looks good. Like, it looks good. Oh my god, it looks so good, bro. I'll show y'all the engine bay, all the carbon and stuff I've been working on. The carbon back there, carbon back there. All we gotta do is put this one on, and hopefully the hood next, but I'm not sure. Like, I don't know yet, but let's see what we can hurry up and do. Cause I'm trying to hurry up and finish this before it gets dark, but bruh, like, it's taking so long, and I want it to be perfect. And the thing I don't like is this one did not have the hose, so like, you know, oh, bruh, this right here is like, I'm sorry, but this is shit quality, bro. Like, this one right here is perfect. You can see all the holes. I popped it, drilled all the holes and stuff. But that other one is like, man, this one is like messed up to the T. So messed up. But let's get back to it, cause here we go, boy. Got most of it on. IPL bumper. Got the fenders on. It's really looking good. Oh my god. Now it's time to put the hood on. Let's see how long this is gonna take. So, let me get the setup, man. Bro, it looks great, bro. Oh my god. It looks so good. This is like insane, bro. Oh my god. I can't believe this is my car, bro. Oh my god. I'm trying to get the hood on so we can get a better, you know, look at everything. So I'll be back in a minute. Oof. Got the hood on. Oof. Yes, sir. You had called him? You had called him? You called Best Buy? Oh. Yes, sir. The box just came. So it's not in here. As you can see, hope you can see. Oh my god. From SEBION carbon. Ben. You have it right here. I'm gonna be back. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna unbox it. I'll wrap it for you guys. Get back. Come on.
Déjalo duro esa mierda.
Yes, sir. Oh my God. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at this, bro. Sick. Sick. So sick. Man, ooh,